why is getting an offer in compromise accepted so difficult? That's what Miguel wants to know. And really, Miguel, there's two reasons that this boils down to. The first reason is, and I think this is fairly obvious, the IRS isn't just going to write off your tax debt without a fight. They're not going to approve an offer in compromise in which you claim that you can't afford to pay the IRS what you owe them just based on your word. They need to go through a fact-finding verification mission before they do that. And the way that they've organized that fact-finding mission to make it more efficient on their end is by producing standardized forms that you fill out to submit with your offer in compromise. 433A OIC, Form 656, right? And all the documentation they want along with those, like bank statements and things like that. So that's the first reason why getting an offer in compromise accepted is so difficult, Miguel. Second reason why getting an offer in compromise accepted is so difficult is, frankly, because of inept or, in my opinion, malicious IRS employees. I shared on this channel recently a recent offer in compromise success story that we got approved, reducing the taxpayers, I think, about $90,000 or $89,000 of tax debt down to $2,000. And that was, this individual clearly qualified for the offer in compromise, right? Despite making almost $200,000 a year, this individual clearly qualified for this offer in compromise, okay? But the offer specialist who was reviewing the offer rejected the offer because the offer specialist didn't give us any credit against the taxpayer's disposable income for his housing expenses that he was obviously paying every month to support his family of 5 or 6 in Brooklyn, New York. We submitted the lease agreement. We showed it on the credit card statement. Hey, this is the lease payment. Offer specialist didn't give him any credit for housing expense. It was bizarre. So we had to appeal it, right? Submit an appeal. You can submit an offer and compromise appeal within 30 days of the rejection. And after we submitted the appeal, we got the offer approved. All was well. Now, I don't know if that IRS employee was inept or whether they're just malicious, but we're seeing that more and more, especially in the offer and compromise unit, that the IRS sometimes just doesn't know what they're doing. Or maybe they do know what they're doing and they're just trying to be mean because they think that the taxpayer, the professional, won't go through the trouble of appealing the OIC rejection. Okay, that's all I can figure out. So, that's why. I mean, frankly, when I hear someone has worked at the IRS before, they might have been great, or they might have been, a bump on a log like this offer specialist was. But that's to say, Miguel, look, those are the two main reasons why getting an OIC approved is inherently a difficult process. So, I have other videos about offers and compromise here on the left-hand side of your screen that you can check out. If you owe at least $10,000 in back taxes, please give us a call at Choice Tax Relief, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or you can visit us at choicetaxrelief.com and fill out the form there on our website. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.